Hi, we are continuing similar triangles and I hope you have been practicing the problems which we have done in the previous class. The concepts which were based on AAA, Triple S and SAS criteria, right? So let us do a few more questions and some interesting questions I got for you. In the given figure, angle ADE is equal to angle B given. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. First job is ABC is similar to triangle ADE. I have to show that. And then I have to, with these values given, I have to find the unknown quantity DE. Right. Here it is mentioned as 90 degrees. Now what I'll do, I'll draw a similar triangle to triangle ABC. Or this triangle I'll flip. Right. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to flip this way. This way. Alright. Keeping A, I am going to turn this. So when I turn this, E will come here, D will come here, A is as it is. See the movement. I am going to flip this and write. Right? So flip the triangle and dotted triangle, and this is angle D. Now this is angle E. So I will say solution. In triangle ABC and triangle ADE, you can say angle A is equal to angle A, which is a common angle, and angle ADE is equal to angle B. This is given. So when two angles are equal, as per third angle will also be equal. So as per angle or simply angle criteria, I will say triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Now once you declare the two triangles are similar, so the first job is done. Once you declare the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Means this angle E will be equal to angle C. Also, since triangles are similar, angle C is equal to angle E, which is equal to what? 90 degrees. I do not know whether I will be able to use it, but I am just mentioning over there. So I did my first job of proving these two triangles similar. The job is done. The next job, AD is equal to 3.8. Let us write AD. AD is equal to 3.8. I write here also 3.8 centimeters. AE is equal to 3.6. This is 3.6. I write here also 3.6. BE is equal to 2.1. BE is 2.1. And then you don't have BE there. BC is equal to 4.2. This is 4.2. And what are you supposed to find? You are supposed to find DE. So simple. Now when two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. I'll say since triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Try to understand. Now forget about this. You take this one triangle, these are similar. Now I have to find this. So I will consider this by this. Look at the board. This by this is equal to this by this. Alright. So since two triangles are similar, this by this. How will I find this by this? AD by DE is equal to AB by BC. Be very clear. What is AD value? AD value is 3.8. By DE value, you know, you do not know DE value. What is AB value? Now here people will do mistake. AB is nothing but 2.1 plus 3.6. Let us write that. 2.1 plus 3.6 by what is BC value? BC value is 4.2. So now I will cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I will get 3.8 into 4.2 is equal to DE into what is 2.1 into 3 plus 3.6? It is 5.7. So now I will write, it implies DE is equal to 3.8 into 4.2 by 5.7. Now I will cancel. 19 goes 0.2 times. 19 2s are 38. 19 3s are 57. So it is 0.3. Now 0.2, 0.3 cancel. I will write DE is equal to 2 by 3, point I am cancelling, into 4.2. Again, 3 ones are 3 14s are 14 3s are 42, but because you are having 4.2, I'll write this as 1.4. So DE is equal to 2 into 1.4. What is 2 into 1.4? 2.8. At the end, mention the centimeters. So this is very, very simple question, but if you draw this triangle separately, if not here, to make you understand, you can draw here also. See, what am I doing? I'm going to flip this. I'm going to flip this. And when I flip and draw a similar triangle, I can draw it this way also, keeping A here and D will be here and E will be here. Like this also you can do and proceed. I'm sure you understood. Now, meanwhile, you pause the video. We'll go for the next problem. Yes. The next question is interesting again. The perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters, determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. How I am going to proceed? Try to understand. Solution. Let me take two similar triangles. Right? One is a smaller triangle, one is a bigger triangle. Right? This is A, B, C, and let me call this as P, Q, R. Opposite A, this is B, this is C, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. I'll say let triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Alright. I have taken two similar triangles. Now, perimeters of two similar triangles are given to you. A plus B plus C given. Perimeter is nothing but sum of the angles, sum of the sides is 30 centimeters, and P plus Q plus R is equal to 20 centimeters. Alright. That is given to you. That is given part. Alright. Now, what is he asking you? If one side of a triangle is 12, let us assume A is 12, right? If A is equal to 12 centimeters, then what is the corresponding side? Then P is equal to question mark. This is the question. So I am sure you understood this problem, right? Now I will proceed. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, when two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Therefore, the sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. So I will write therefore A by P is equal to B by Q is equal to C by R, right? This is what is there, proportional. Now children, we have to go into the algebra, and there is a property called as ratio and proportion rule, a rule called as ratio and proportional rule. Now that rule we have to apply. What does that rule says, right? As per, I will say apply ratio and proportion rule. Apply ratio and proportion rule. Now what is the ratio and proportion rule? Try to understand. See, 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. You all know that 4 1s are, 4 2s are, and that is equal to what? 1 by 2. So this can be added. Now this will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 4 plus 8. Now check whether you get 1 by 2 or not. What is 1 plus 2 plus 4? 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. What is 8 plus 4 plus 2? It is 14. 7 1s are 7 2s. Again you got 1 by 2. So you have to consecutively add these numerators by consecutive addition of denominators. This is called as ratio and proportion rule. It is not been mentioned in your 10th class, but somewhere in 7th or 8th class I believe you had this rule. So apply ratio and proportion rule. Therefore I will get A by P is equal to B by Q is equal to C by R. Is again each of them equal to A plus B plus C by P plus Q plus R. But just now, what is that A plus B plus C given to you? 30. And what is P plus Q plus R given to you? 20. So I will write A by P is equal to B by Q is equal to C by R is equal to 30 by 20. 0, 0 cancel. You got this relation. Now tell me, what is the question asked? A is 12 and we are supposed to find P. So in this entire scenario, I will only take these two things. I will write A by P is equal to 3 by 2 implies, what is A value? A value is 12. So it is 12 by P is equal to 3 by 2. Now 3 1s are, 3 4s are, cross multiply. What will get? P is equal to 4 2s are 8 centimeters. Is it not wonderful, children? You are learning the concept of similarity, you are learning the ratio and proportion rule also. So it's a very interesting question. So I'm sure you like these problems, you are liking these videos. But how do I know that whether you are liking the videos? You have to hit the like button only once, not twice, only once. And please forward this channel, the link of the channel to your friends also, so that they can also be benefited. Let everybody be benefited from this. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.